It's day 9. Tell me something. How many times have you looked at someone else's life and thought, wow, they have everything I want? Maybe you saw your friend buying a new phone, or your classmate posting picture from a trip, or someone on Instagram showing their perfect life. And in that 1 second, you stop appreciating what you have and started wishing you were someone else. But here the truth, most people don't say comparison is a silent thief. It steals your peace, your joy, your confidence, and leaving you feeling like you are never enough. Today world runs on comparison. We scroll and scroll. And every post we see make us question our own worth. Someone is richer, someone is smarter, someone is more confident, and before you even realize it, you start to feel like you are losing in a race you never even signed up for. But ask yourself, did you come into this world to complete or to create? Your life is not a race, it's story. And no two story can ever be the same. People post their best 5 seconds online, but you don't see the 23 hours and 55 minutes behind those pictures. You don't see their struggles. You don't hear their arguments. You don't feel their loneliness. The perfect influencer who seems to have it all. Maybe they cry every night. Maybe they doubt themselves too. So when you compare your reality to someone highlight reel, you are not being fair to yourself. Comparison kills joy, but worse than that, it kills motivation. You don't stop focusing on your progress and start chasing their progress. You don't appreciating your small wins and suddenly everything feel like failure. But growth doesn't come from comparison. It comes from consistency. The only person you should compete with is the version of yourself from yesterday. Let me tell you something powerful. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Someone people find at 20, some at 40, some at 60. There no fixed time for blooming. Flowers don't bloom together. Yet, every one of them adds beauty to the garden. Your time will come too, but not if you waste it looking at someone else. Now let's talk about how you can stop this habit. Because comparison is natural, but it can be controlled. Step 1. Be aware of your triggers. Who make you feel less? What kinds of content drain your confidence? Mute, unfollow, or distance yourself. Protect your peace first. Step 2. Focus on your progress. Keep a journal. Write down on one thing you improved this week. It could be your English, your confidence, or even your patience. Step 3. Practice gratitude daily. Start and end your day by naming 3 things you are thankful for. You will start seeing abundance instead of lack. Step 4. Celebrate small wins. Even if you made 1% progress, celebrate it because success is built from 100 of 1% improvement. Step 5. Remember you are unique. No one can copy your journey, your struggle, or your strength. You are writing a story the world has never seen before. It's okay to admire others, but administration should inspire you, not make you insecure. When you see someone doing better, instead of saying, why not me? Say, if they can, maybe I can do. Use other success as proof, not pressure. That's how you turn comparison into motivation. Imagine waking up one day, not caring about who's doing what, just being grateful for your journey. No pressure, no jealous, no just peace. That's when real happiness begins because peace doesn't come from having more. It's come from wanting less and appreciating more. There is a story of a boy who saw a butterfly struggling to come out of its cocoon. He wanted to help, so he gently tore it open, but the butterfly couldn't fly because the struggle was necessary to make its wings strong. In the same way, your struggle are shaping you. Your timeline is teaching your strength. Don't rush your growth, trust it. So, next time you open social media, remember you are saying story, not realities. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to keep growing one small step at a time. Your success will come, and when it does, you will look back and thank yourself for not giving up. Because peace doesn't come from being ahead of other. It comes from being aligned with yourself. Stop comparing, start living, and watch your life become lighter, calmer, and truly yourself. Thanks for watching.